shooting star pattern. Introduction. Hello and welcome to Module 3 of the Mastering Candlestick Patterns course. In this lesson, we'll start our exploration of bearish candlestick patterns by delving into the shooting star pattern. This pattern is a powerful indicator of potential trend reversals. Shooting star pattern formation. The shooting star pattern is a single candle formation that occurs after an uptrend. It signals a potential reversal from bullish to bearish. The shooting star pattern consists of the following elements: a small real body near the lower end of the candlestick, a long upper shadow, wick, that is at least 2 times the length of the real body, a minimal or non-existent lower shadow. Interpretation of bearish implications. Understanding the psychology behind the shooting star pattern is essential for traders. The long upper shadow of the shooting star pattern indicates that buyers pushed the price higher during the session. However, sellers regained control, pushing the price back down to close near the open, resulting in a small real body. Case studies: shooting star predicting reversals. Let's examine case studies to see how the shooting star pattern has played out in real-world trading scenarios. Historical charts with instances of shooting star patterns leading to bearish reversals. In this, we observe a shooting star pattern accurately predicting a trend reversal, offering traders a profitable opportunity. This is another instance where the shooting star pattern marked a potential entry point for bearish trades. Confirmation and combining with indicators. While the shooting star pattern is a powerful signal, it's wise to seek confirmation from other technical indicators. As traders, we aim to enhance our decision-making process by considering additional factors that strengthen our trading strategies. Conclusion. The shooting star pattern is a valuable tool for identifying potential bearish reversals. Remember that combining this pattern with other forms of analysis and confirmation signals can lead to more accurate trading decisions. Before moving on, review the key takeaways from this lesson. Gain a solid understanding of the shooting star pattern's formation, its bearish implications, and the importance of confirmation. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. I hope you're now equipped to recognize and interpret shooting star patterns. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson as we explore more bearish candlestick patterns.